Hello everyone, my name is Leanne and I am from San Diego, Texas. I started TSTC in the spring of 2018 and um I like art, I like music, I like to try new things, new food, new places and stuff like that. Um I've always liked digital art and I've always liked computers too, so that's why I thought that graphic designing and like digital media was right for me because I like both. And I want to learn more about like graphic designing, and I want to improve my skill because I want to use this in the future. And I want to learn more, and I want to learn my depth. I want to learn how much I can like pursue this skill. So um I know that I really like art of all kinds, and something I've always been interested in even since I was younger. So I may have you for other classes. Hello again if you see this, and I've had you last semester, so hello again. It's gonna be a really great, awesome semester and a great year. So thank you all for watching. This is gonna be a great year.